Tired of feeling tied to just one income source? Many people are. Imagine having the financial freedom to pursue your passions without constantly worrying about your next paycheck. We're about to unlock the secrets to leveraging your unique skills and creating multiple income streams, giving you the control you've always dreamed of. The belief that your skills should be confined strictly to your full-time job is not only outdated, but it also limits your true earning potential and personal growth. By recognizing that your talents are not just for your employer, you open the door to new opportunities and alternative income streams. Introducing the skill portfolio concept, where your inherent talents are individual assets. This concept encourages you to view your inherent talents not as a single block tied to one job, but as a collection of individual assets. This approach empowers you to maximize your value and build a more resilient, fulfilling financial future. Today, the world is experiencing significant economic changes and a surge in digital innovation, making it the ideal time to rethink your approach to earning. The rapid rise of online platforms, remote work options, and new technology-driven marketplaces has opened up countless avenues for leveraging your skills beyond traditional employment and for additional income streams. Instead of viewing your role as a collection of duties specific to your current position, you identify foundational skills, such as project management, communication, problem solving, or technical proficiency, that are valuable in many settings. This process helps you recognize how your expertise can be applied to different industries, freelance opportunities, or entrepreneurial ventures, allowing you to unlock new income avenues. The hobby-to-income bridge refers to the process of transforming personal passions and interests into viable sources of profit. By recognizing that activities you enjoy, such as writing, photography, crafting, gaming, or cooking, hold value beyond simple recreation, you can identify ways to monetize these talents. Leveraging your hobbies in this way not only creates additional income streams, but also allows you to pursue work that feels meaningful and enjoyable, further enhancing your financial and personal fulfillment. Beyond the single paycheck. Rather than relying on a single skill, you blend complementary abilities, such as technical know-how, creative thinking, and effective communication, to address specific needs and stand out from competitors. This is called skill stacking. Success stories of everyday people building diverse income. Sara, the teacher turned entrepreneur. Sara, a public school teacher from Vancouver, realized her knack for curriculum design could serve a broader audience. She began selling lesson plans online through educational platforms, while also tutoring students via video calls. Eventually, Sara launched a blog offering advice to fellow educators, which grew into a source of ad revenue and sponsored posts. By stacking her teaching, digital content, and consulting skills, Sara transformed her expertise into 3 robust income streams, allowing her greater flexibility and financial security. Mike, the hobbyist photographer. Mike, an accountant in Toronto, started sharing his landscape photography on social media. As his following grew, he began selling prints and offering photo walks on weekends. He then developed an online course teaching smartphone photography for beginners, tapping into demand for accessible learning. Mike's side hustle soon matched his day job's income, illustrating how a passion project can evolve into multiple profitable ventures. These real-life examples highlight how everyday people have leveraged their unique skills and passions, often starting with low-barrier entry points, to create multiple streams of income. Low-barrier entry points. Leveraging existing platforms and minimal upfront investment. By using established online platforms, such as educational marketplaces, social media, or freelance websites, and relying on skills or resources they already possess, people can start side ventures without significant upfront costs. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can build a robust income ecosystem while maintaining balance and avoiding burnout. The power of passive income. Setting up systems that work while you sleep. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal ongoing effort after an initial setup. By creating automated systems, such as monetized websites, online courses, ebooks, or investments, individuals can earn money continuously, even while sleeping. It's a key strategy for developing multiple income streams and increasing financial resilience. Instead of relying solely on a single job or employer, people who leverage their unique skills can diversify their income sources and pivot to new opportunities as needed. This flexibility helps safeguard against economic downturns or changes in the job market, allowing for continued growth and financial stability even when traditional roles are disrupted. Your personalized action plan. Begin by identifying your key skills and areas for potential growth. Then strategically select ventures, such as passive income projects, skill-based services, and collaborative partnerships that align with your goals. Moving beyond the traditional paycheck means recognizing and harnessing your distinct abilities to create diverse avenues of income. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.